I'm trying to get back into coding for a bit. Because I'm trying to make a thing for some of my friends. And as you can see here, I've done some things with our good friend Framed Rectangle Bob. And well, as you know, in ObjectDraw, everything is based on the very top left of a framed rectangle, the top left of the canvas. That is its kind of 0, 0 point, right? Well, I've made something to where you can make a framed rectangle by clicking and dragging. This is very basic. You like honestly, it's one of the first things you'll code. But yeah, it's like the box on the desktop where you can change what orientation it is, and it's always has that one fixed point in the very middle right there. You see that I've just boxed in, and it always has that fixed point where you clicked for the first time, and then the other corner of the square is modified and made by you. Um, but once you actually start thinking about the mathematics of the scenario, this is a little bit tricky, you know, because I've clicked right there, and that in the very top left, and that is the x and y of the framed rectangle, right? So you would have to start like right here. Whenever I cross at the very middle, what happens is that now the X and the Y is not something my cursor is even on. It's not where I clicked originally, and it's not where my cursor's on. It's still in that very top left. So essentially, every time I move my mouse, I'm having to move the entire rectangle so that it's on the right Y value and it has the right X width. It has all of these values, and then it gets like this right here. Actually, isn't that bad? But strangely enough, I found going down below where you originally clicked and to the left of it, so that your the X is now still in the top left, not where you originally clicked, but just above where my cursor is. I always found that this quadrant was the hardest. That's all like besides the point. The point is, this was just a little thing that I did in order to get back into coding, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. Um, what I would suggest is that maybe this be something you give to first year students, because if you're in practice, I don't think it would be that bad. But at the same time, it can be really annoying. So yeah, it's really something to make them think, because it's simple in concept, but it's challenging in implementation. Well, I say it's challenging. If you actually look at it, it's 49 lines of code, 48, whatever. And like it's too. Heck, I don't even need active object. I can do this all in the driver. But who cares? It was just something to get me back into practice, which I think was rather important.